Hey YouTube, this is my control panel, Simplex 4004, and we're going to do a test of it. Pardon that noise. So here we go, Simplex 4004 fire alarm control panel. Alarms is the Simplex 4051 and the AST Genesis chime strobe. So let's get in the control guts. Okay, here we have the control panel. There's our light. So let's get some light on in here. It's kind of low lighting conditions at the moment. Zoom in on the light. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so here we go. Here's the control panel with better lighting. So yeah. So here we go. What? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna do it one more time. Just don't let you guys go close. Okay, do something very close. Okay, so yeah, that was the control panel. That was a quick test. Okay, well, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.